Here comes Sammy. Hey, buddy. There we go. Hey, Sammy, say hi to Daddy. Come on, buddy. Come on. Hey. Yeah, we're walking and clapping at the same time. Hey, buddy. You're a good boy. So we're walking around the house, going everywhere. There he goes. Still a bit wobbly, but we're doing pretty good. Just got home from daycare. Sammy, come here. Hello. Sammy. Hey. Trying to get him to walk this way. Looking on the toilet. Drew, Sammy, come on. There we go. He's just getting better and better every day, huh? There he goes. Oh, there we go. Time to be done. Bye-bye, Sammy. Say bye-bye.